Hello YouTube! Welcome back to Amateur Cook. Today we'll be attempting to cook a dish that my mother frequently makes growing up. And why wouldn't she? It is one of the simplest dish to make and it is a definite comfort food at our home. The dish is called tomato egg drop soup. And if you are looking for a soup dish that is easy to make, tasty, and also will warm the cockles of your heart, then stay tuned. These are the ingredients that we will be using. The full list of ingredients is also in the description box down below. To begin, we're going to turn on the heat. Add oil onto the pot. Once the oil is hot enough, we're going to saute our garlic and our onion. Stir it around to coat the garlic and the onion with oil. Don't forget to occasionally stir the garlic and the onion to make sure that it does not burn and stick to the pot. Once the garlic and the onion has caramelized, we're going to add water. Now we're going to stir the water, onion, garlic mixture and bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, we're going to add our tomatoes. Stir it fast enough to make a whirlpool, and then we're going to add our eggs before the whirlpool stops. Now we're going to season our soup with salt, followed by pepper, coriander leaves. Now we mix. Don't forget to taste your soup and season it accordingly. Once the soup is seasoned, you want to bring it to a boil. Once the soup is boiled, we can turn off the heat. Now we can start plating. Add a little bit of spring onion onto the bowl and we can scoop up some soup. There you have it, tomato egg drop soup. Thank you for watching.